I folded your laundry for you. You're welcome.
That's not mine.
You're saying that these aren't yours?
No.
So you're saying that I'm touching a stranger's underpants?
Yes.
And just like that, it's the worst day of my life.
Wait, why are you being so weird?
It occurred to me that perhaps you were telling the truth about Bill Gates, and it wasn't just part of an elaborate prank.
What would the prank part even be?
I show up to meet Bill Gates over your objections. No, but it's not Bill Gates at all. No, it's one of those lookalikes that you hire for a party. And then when I go around showing everybody the balloon animal that Bill Gates made for me, I look like an idiot.
Have you been eating laundry detergent?
I just need you to tell me the truth. This is driving me crazy.
Sheldon, he is really coming.
Is he?
He is.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, now I don't know what to believe.